my name is Jacob Parker, engineering graduate from Georgia Tech and inventor of Fingerflyer quadcopter drones.
Fingerflyer drones are an exciting new flight technology that inspire curiosity and imagination among people of all ages. Our patented flight technology allows drones to be controlled using onboard gesture sensors and the Fingerport board, much like a hoverboard for the hands.
They can perform flips, tricks, spins, and be passed to other users for a shared user experience.
And I'm Erin Morrow, a middle grades education major and inventor of Fingerflyer educational drone STEM kits.
Our drone STEM kits pair our new intuitive quadcopter drones with guided hands-on lab activities that make education engaging and fun. Each kit contains everything needed to assemble, explore, and operate our patented gesture-controlled drones while learning about the underlying technology, physics, aerodynamics, and manufacturing.
We have received great feedback from educators across the country and want to ensure each school has the same opportunity to learn about this new immersive flight technology for their students.
We look forward to further discussing how we can best serve your classrooms and invite you to visit fingerflyer.com to learn more. Thank you.